चलो, every student went for the treasure hunt. They are trying to get something at their place whereby taxation or tax word must be there. ऐसा ढूंढने गए हैं बच्चे. They are trying to get some receipt. इवन रेस्टोरेंट का वाउचर रहेगा, रिसीट रहेगा, बिल रहेगा. हर एक जगह आप ट्राई करो, वो चीज़ ज़रूर मिलेगी आपको जिसमें टैक्स लिखा रहेगा. आपका टेलीफोन बिल ले लो, क्रेडिट कार्ड बिल ले लो, हर एक में ढूंढ के लेके और मुझे बताओ. आई होप मंजुनाथ हैज गॉट समथिंग. हैव यू गॉट एनीथिंग? You haven't got anything at your place, Manjunath, whereby taxation is there?
I didn't go and search out for it.
We go na. I've given
Okay.
you. We are playing treasure hunt. You don't want to play? Go. चलो फटाफट बच्चा लोग जो लेके आया उसको फर्स्ट प्राइज मिलेगा. Let me see who is getting.
Sir, I got.
Yes. What you got, Pradnya? Yes. This is the sign of leader.
It's a gas bill, Mahanagar Palika.
एक
Yeah.
सेकंड, एक सेकंड, एक सेकंड. वेट. या प्रज्ञा बताओ बेटा क्या दिखा? सबको दिखेगा अभी. वेरी नाइस. बताइए क्या? वो दिखाओ, ऐसे दिखाओ सबको.
Sir, I got the gas bill.
हाँ, क्या है उसमें?
Sir, it's written text like GST and all, I guess. Something
You
like
should
that.
not guess, but there is SGST और CGST करके तो दो चीज मुझे दिखा उसमें.
Yeah, sir.
वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस. अदर चलो फटाफट. Who else? सेकंड कौन है ट्रेजर हंट में? चलो क्विकली देखते हैं सेकंड स्टूडेंट कौन है. This is also an art. चलो क्विकली. जिनको मिला है just show us to, I mean show it to all the students. चलो Manjunath also got something. Yes, unmute yourself. It will be visible to everyone.
It's a contract note from JM Finance.
From it is not visible. What it is? Can you explain?
It's a contract bill from JM Finance.
Okay. So what exactly is mentioned over there, Manjunath?
Like towards the end of the page, it's written exchange and segment, pay and payout obligations, securities transaction tax. Then there's a column for GST,
Very nice.
CGST, that's 9%, SGST, that is 9%,
Very good. Very good.
VAT and IGST.
Super. IGST तक आ गए हम लोग. Very good. Second student also I got it. और कोई? देखो दो बच्चों ने ढूंढा है.
Sir, I got a deposit pin slip from Oriental Bank.
उसमें GST लिखा है क्या? या कोई भी टैक्स लिखा है क्या?
Not about tax.
It's a paying slip. इसमें नहीं रहेगा बेटा. और कोई स्टूडेंट ढूंढो. पूछो, पेरेंट्स से पूछो. आपने फॉर्म 16 भरा क्या? आपका इनकम टैक्स रिटर्न फाइल का है क्या? एक मिनट के लिए दीजिए. सर ट्रेजर हंट खेल रहे, हमको भी जीतना है. पूछिए आपके पेरेंट्स से. इट विल बी रियली वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. और कितना मिनट दिया जाए सीआर? 2-3 मिनट काफी रहेगा? ओके चलो 3 मिनट और देते हैं बच्चे को। You can take the assistance of your parents also. उनसे भी मदद लेके आप ढूंढ के ला सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं।
Sir, I also got the gas bill.
Brilliant. Yeah, Pranav.
Here it is written.
Yeah, Pranav.
I also got the gas bill.
Very nice.
Here it is written the tax.
What it is, beta? What is the nomenclature?
Here it is written rate per SCM exclusive all taxes, and there are given the different taxes.
What are the nomenclature?
What, sir?
What are the nomenclature of those taxation? What you are talking about? नाम क्या
Sir, I
लिखा
didn't
है?
get it.
नाम टैक्स का nomenclature क्या
So
दिया?
that SGST and CGST.
Okay, SGST and CGST. Very nice. Thank you, Pranav. Very nice. Next. और कोई स्टूडेंट?
Sir, I got the supermarket bill.
एक नंबर देखो कौन है ये बच्ची? मनीषा ने भी दिखा है। क्या है मनीषा? देखो उसमें क्या है बेटा?
Sir, CGST, HGST और GST.
वाओ, वेरी नाइस। और कौन है? और कौन आया? और कौन स्टूडेंट है? प्रिया पटेल।
Sir, I got medical bill.
उसमें देखो टैक्स है क्या बेटा?
Written on
उसमें कहीं टैक्स वर्ड लिखा हुआ है? देखो जरा।
CGST,
लिखा हुआ है।
SGST, taxable and GST.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। प्रिया ने भी ढूंढा। और किसी को इनकम टैक्स रिटर्न फाइल का मिला क्या मम्मी पापा से? किसी ने पूछा कि आप रिटर्न फाइल किए तो मुझे बताइए। बोलो कोई बात नहीं, इनकम टैक्स ऑफिसर नहीं है मेरे सर, हम लोग खाली बस ट्रेजर हंट सीख रहे हैं। देखो सर ने कितना अच्छा जर्नी चालू किया 2021 में। सब खेल खेल के पढ़ेंगे। ओके चलो, जिनको नहीं मिला कम बैक। चलो, ऑल ऑफ यू कम बैक टू क्लास। All of you come back and put your video mode on. So be quick. Chalo, Dilkush and all, put your video mode on. Shivam. Okay. So we have seen, it is very clearly seen in these treasure hunt games that all of us we are paying tax. Yes or no? एक बात तो पक्की हो गई कि हम लोग सब टैक्स भरते हैं। भले हम लोग डेबिट क्रेडिट करते हैं कि नहीं घर में वो पता नहीं, बट एक बात पक्की है कि हम लोग भले अपने अकाउंट्स का ऑडिट होता है कि नहीं, ओके, बट एक बात पक्की हो गई कि ऑल ऑफ अस वी आर पेइंग टैक्स। यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
But are we really aware about taxation? Are we knowing the concept of taxation? How many of you have heard this word earlier? Like taxation is something. Or is it a new concept? Only Indian
No,
government
sir.
charge, or other government is not charging, or we are charging only from 2017. ऐसा है क्या कुछ? Tell me. Okay. Visha Rai is talking about Form 16. Yes, Vita, tell me what exactly about Form 16. I'm giving you the opportunity to discuss.
Sir, it is a form which has been given by the company.
First, put your video mode on. मैंने इस साल एकदम clear बोला है. Let us have the virtual classroom. Just think about how you used to learn in your junior college. Okay, it will be virtually. We will meet, we'll discuss. Okay. Okay, tell me, chalo. But next time be careful. Chalo, Visha, go ahead.
Okay, sir. I think Form 16 is the form which has been given by the company, wherein all the allowances and the deductions and the gross income is being written by the company, and all the auditing is being done by the company.
No, it is not auditing. It is again the taxation what company has paid on your behalf. So like just now you have shown me the bill, different bill where GST and other things has been charged. Similarly, when we get the Form 16 from our college, they also deduct the income tax and then they are shown us in our Form 16 because this much as tax has been already deducted from your salary. Are you getting me or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that is why I was expecting you to get me that things also because just now whatever you have shown me, this CGST, SGST is an indirect tax in India. And what myself and Visha is just now discussing is a direct tax. So in India, there are two kind of tax structure, two kind of taxation system is prevailing. One is direct tax system and another is indirect tax system. So direct tax paper 1 and paper 2 we have in SYBAP, whereas indirect tax paper 1 and paper 2 we will be having in TYBAP. Clear it? Okay. Now first, let me ask you a question from you all. Is taxation is a new concept? Like
No, sir.
it has been GST 2017 government has introduced. So earlier there were no tax, something like that. Only 4 years back only government started collecting tax. Is it so? Or we are going to refer Income Tax Act 1961. So before 1961 there were no taxation. Is it something like that? If is taxation is required, do we need to pay tax? Are you getting what kind of question I am raising in front of you? Is payment or we should pay tax or we should not pay tax? Or is only India is imposing tax, other countries not imposing tax? Samiksha, Ayushi, Kaushal, Parth, Shruti, kindly put your video mode on. It will be better for our understanding and interaction. You'll really enjoy your learning. Tell me these things. Have you ever thought? Have you ever thought? How many you think that? I mean, tax is there even before 1961. Even when wherever there was Britishers, there were tax. Before that, Mughal was there. Their time also there were tax. Now let us, to understand all this, let me teach you some movies. Let me take you to certain movies if you have watched. Had you seen the movie Lagan? Yes,
Yes, sir.
Dilkush. Okay, very right answer. So it was a fact, it was a historical movie. So we have understood even during Britishers there were tax. Okay. Similarly, I will expect you to watch the movie Jodha Akbar. If you see entire movie, there was a character named called Todarmal, and they were charging Tajya Kar. So the nomenclature was different, but the concept was same. Or if you have seen the movie Mohenjo-daro, how many of you have seen the movie Mohenjo-daro? Again, historical movie. Hrithik was the in main lead. मोहनजोदारो करके मूवी कितने बच्चों ने देखी है? मालूम है स्टार्टिंग में मगर वगर को पकड़ता है, ऋतिक ही था, आई डोंट नो, वही था ना, आई थिंक दैट मूवी, यस इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. देखा है आप लोगों ने? आई कैन टेल यू देयर, yes, I found Dilkush, Pradnya, they have seen that movie. So when they wanted to enter into, and I hope you must have read in the history about Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Have you read Civilization of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro? Have you read this thing? If not, please read it. Not only 3000 BC, Simran, much prior, much prior, much prior that. There also, मालूम है वो Hrithik used to enter into that Mohenjo-daro city, और he used to produce नील का खेती करता था वो. And then they used to pay and then only used to enter. याद आ रहा है वो सब? Yes, Pradnya can recollect. So it's not a new concept. High or low is the second thing. But taxation was there. Nomenclature was different. The concept was same. Even if you read the, Vedas, Puranas, there also there is a concept of taxation. Honestly speaking, taxation is there from civilization. जब से civilization चालू हुआ है, तब से taxation. And if you want to be in civil society, you want to have such kind of life, you need to pay tax. If you don't want to pay tax, you have to take it such kind of society. Uncivilized society. आज भी अफ्रीका में जंगलों में बहुत सारे बंदे रहते हैं, उनको कोई टैक्स नहीं है, उनका कोई इनकम नहीं है, उनके हाथ में कोई रिसीट नहीं है. यस और नो? आप भी हिमालय के एकदम इंटीरियर में चले जाओ, जहाँ कोई नेटवर्क नहीं है, जहाँ कुछ खाना पीना नहीं है, जंगल में चले जाओ, समुद्र के बीच में चले जाओ, जहाँ सिविल सोसाइटी नहीं है, आपको टैक्स नहीं लगेगा. Agreed or not? But if you talk about civil society, you need to pay tax. There is no alternative. And wherever you will go, there you need to pay tax. I visited more than 10 countries. Everywhere there is a tax. It's not only in India. Do you agree with me or not?
Yes, sir.
जहां भी जाओगे बेटा, अगर सिविल सोसाइटी में रहना है, सिविलाइज रहना है, सोशल स्ट्रक्चर है, ये जो अभी आपने लाया ना सर, इधर जीएसटी है, इधर आईजीएसटी है, इधर सीजीएसटी है, हर एक जगह कुछ ना कुछ extra than what is cost you have to pay, and the nomenclature of that will be something, whatever the, you know, phases, or like in Mughal it was kar, in Britishers it was lagan. After independence we have got it as taxation. Prior to that, it was given nomenclature as chungi कहते थे इसको. If you see the script of Chanakya and all, लोग चुंगी चार्ज करते थे. नाम कुछ भी रहने दो. I'm not talking about the name nomenclature of this. The concept was very clear. Over and above to the cost of the product or cost of the services, you need to pay some extra. What you have just now seen, yes or no? Everywhere it has been totaled. उसके नीचे था ये सारी चीजें. Agreed or not? बहुत सारे बच्चों के हाथ में है. Like Manisha has a bill. Yes or no? Manisha, you got me the bill of what? कोई mall का कोई. Yes or no? After that total, there is certain amount additionally charged on that. Similarly, Pradnya has shown me certain bill. So after total of those bills, in at last there is something. Somewhere it is written as CGST, somewhere it is written as SGST, somewhere it is written as CGST, SGST, IGST. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It was not like that, Manjunath. Yes, like only income tax is not direct tax. There are other ways also. Honestly speaking, you must be knowing, Manjunath, corporate tax is also direct tax. Corporates were there or not before 1961? Tata Birla used to pay tax to the government, boss. Wealth, understood? But we have given the structure, like before 2017, we used to pay more than 50 different indirect taxes. Now they all have been amended and there is only one tax, GST. Agreed or not? After 2017. Similarly, after 1961, we have introduced this act, Income Tax Act 1961. And we started imposing tax by different ways and means. Okay? And then 1962, we had income tax rule. which is known as Finance Act. Every year, Finance Minister is putting their budget, which is a part of Act. So for the assessment year 21-22, we'll be learning Income Tax Rule 1920, last year ka. Which will be implemented this year. And which is part of that act only. Is it sounding interesting to all of you? Are yes or no? Okay, again, this is a new subject which we will be learning for the first time in our life and very much connected to our life. That is why I have given you bridge course material to understand taxation, particularly direct taxation, which we'll be discussing in due course. Clear? So kindly try to get these answers from when it got started, what are the different ways, are we supposed to pay tax, is there only India where the tax has been imposed, or what are the different forms of tax, so on and so forth. And we'll meet once again in the next lecture. Till then, be at home, take care of yourself, take care of your family, friends, and wait for next lecture. Okay, try to make the fee payment, and Pradnya, as usual, attendance will be your responsibility. So take care and send me that Excel sheet. I don't want to waste my time for those. Rather, I should invest my time in teaching. I hope you will help me.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Bacha Party. So now we'll be meeting regularly and we'll be learning this kind of treasure